Hello, virtual students. Let's talk about what needs to be accomplished this week. And actually, before we dive into that, let's talk about our new attendance policy. The virtual classes are now implementing an attendance policy, which just means that you weekly need to be participating in the course. Now, the way that we're going to track that in this class is the concept checks. Okay, so like example, this week you're working on days 1 and 2, and for day 1 we have a concept check that you have to complete in order to open up the assignment. Yes, I'm on virtual physics. And so I'm going to go in at the end of the week and I'm going to click on the concept check and see who has participated in that. And if I don't see a participation there, then you're going to be marked absent for the week. Okay, so think of it like a bell ringer, or your attendance is also through the concept checks now. Okay, so be aware of that. All right, now here's what needs to be accomplished this week. We have Unit 3, Part 2. We're starting a new unit. There are the guided notes. So take a moment to print off these guided notes and get them in a binder so that you can fill them in as we go, as you do your notes, and as we do the practice problems. Okay. Okay, now once you get those printed, then we have our first lecture day. I've made those videos. I'm going to download them here in just a moment. So day 1, there's the slides, and then below that, there's going to be 3 videos for you. Okay, so there's your slides and your videos to fill out your notes. Once you've done that, complete the concept check. Reminder, concept checks can be, you can take them over and over again. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed by them. If you've taken it more than 5 times and you're not sure what you're getting wrong, message me, email me. I'll look at it and I'll see what you're missing, talk through it, and then make sure that you can pass it on the next go around. And then once you get 4 out of 4 on this, then the assignment will open up. Okay, it's just a worksheet. Okay, so just download and open that worksheet. Okay. And from there, let's see. So that's day 1. Day 2 of this week, it's a lab, so there's no lecture videos or new slides. You just need to review the old ones. And then here's the lab. Okay, so you're gonna make a copy of this document and you're gonna fill it out as you're working through the gizmo. Okay, so you're going to fill that out and you're going to turn it in here, and you're going to be using Gizmo, which is directly underneath this assignment, right there, in order to fill out that lab. Okay, so that's what we're doing this week. We have 1 lecture day and 1 lab day. Okay, guys, I think that's everything. So please send me messages. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I should mention exam retakes. So if you did not get the score that you're hoping for on Unit 3 Part 1 exam, what you need to do is click back on that, and for each question that you got wrong, in an email, say number 4, and explain how to get the correct answer. Don't just tell me the correct answer. Explain how to get there. And then once I've gotten that from you and I've looked through it, then I'll give you the code for the retake. Now the retake is similar, but there are differences, so make sure you read those questions closely because there are small differences there for the retake. Okay? All right, exams make up 80% of your final grade, so take advantage of that retake if you need to. Okay guys, I think that's everything. Let me know if you have any questions.